We're gonna be cooking on the open fire today, the WyldSide. This is one of the newest additions to our team, so we're super excited. We've really embraced the Argentinian style of cooking here. I'm gonna go ahead and get my compound butter working. And for your compound butter mixture, you can put in there whatever you would like to. I mean, and the better your imagination, the better the compound butter will be. When I'm cooking steak, when I'm cooking beef particularly, I use Ben's Heffer dust. Argentinians love eating and cooking. You know, it's apparent by the way that they do that. Homemade food is a sign of affection. The reason why you'd want to cook lobster and steak over an open flame is to impart whatever type of wood flavoring you want in that particular meat. So for me, I like apple woods. I like a lot of fruit woods, apples, cherries, and that's the flavor that I want to impart. So it gives you another freedom to impart flavor into your meat. Now we're cooking with fire. I would have actually liked to have been the first person to really realize that, hey, we don't have to cook on hot rocks anymore, people. Like, there's this thing called fire. It's got orange glow, and when you put that bison or that like big old, what do they call, mastodon on it, it tastes delicious. I would have liked to have been that guy. You know, he was king. You know, everybody was coming over to his house at late at night to stand by the fire. Yeah, good stuff. That looks perfect. Look at the grill marks on the Leeks. So nice. This is a one-stop shop grill. Oh, yes, sir. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and drop this lobster into the butter mixture. It's about 80% of the way cooked, and we're just gonna finish it the rest of the way off inside the butter. It's gonna make it taste delicious. So this meal was delicious. It came out perfect. The lobster was perfect. Oh yeah. The filet came out perfect. Truly Impart to the grill. I'm REC TEC Chef John, and I would like to say, see you at the REC TEC.